Last week I made a quick video on the new boosted board, the Mini X. And you know, I thought it had kind of a weird noise, so I wanted to, at least it was weird compared to my V2. So I wanted to try to make a comparison video today. Well, I've actually been trying to do it all week, but it kept raining. I mean, that'll pass quick, right? What do you think? So I don't live in Seattle, I live in Greenville, South Carolina. But good Lord, it is August and it felt like we were living out in Seattle. It like rained all day, every day.
All day, every day.
So I wanted to try to make a quick video to compare the two boards and the sound they make. I didn't know if it was the belt was too tight. So I got my buddy Steve to help me do a comparison.
Dyer's going to come by on his little boosted board and we're going to see which, if the boards sound different, one's louder than the other.
That's one.
Alright, so number 2, here's the short boosted board. Okay, here's the loose belt test. Quieter. His belts are slipping though. Too loose, but it definitely makes a difference. This is adjustment number 2. Torqued the belts to where they were somewhere in between the loose and the tight.